Yeah, the just I have seen this on about Box on the Facebook, and I found that I have to do the GIS course. So I have joined this GIS course last on 11, from the 11th of the May, and the teachers the Box is providing are great. They are from the IIT and from various reputed institutes. The sir method of teaching is also very good. They are just explaining each and everything in detail what the urban planners need to do. Just this is all I have to say about Edenbox. I recommend everybody to join this course, any course they are providing, because they have a well experienced faculty with them.